I just spent some money on Diablo Immortal. You know, not a lot. This is what it keeps doing. Connection lost. Please check your network settings. Check my network settings. It's not my network. Blah blah. Click it. Go log in. Oh, by the way, this has been going on for like the last hour. Get in, loads for like a second, and then I just type something, won't post it. I've already disconnected from the server pretty much immediately as I logged into the server. And this has been going on for an hour. Like pretty much every night for at least since I started playing. It'll just keep dropping me from the server. And they'll drop me until enough people have logged off that I can actually maintain a stupid fucking stable connection. Okay, so Blizzard is supposed to provide a service that I'm supposed to be able to access my account and actually fucking play the goddamn fucking game. Okay, so when I can't fucking access the goddamn fucking game that I've just quite literally loaded up money onto, you know, like, what the fuck? Like, yeah, sure, it's free to play, quote unquote, but no, it's not free to play. I can't even fucking play. Like, are you fucking kidding me, Blizzard? I've been a fucking goddamn fan of fucking StarCraft original when it came out. As soon as Brood Wars came out, boom, I made my dad buy the fucking expansion. Like, I've been a fucking diehard fucking Blizzard fan my entire fucking goddamn life. I've never really played any other games other than Blizzard games. StarCraft, Warcraft, and Diablo. And dear God, do I ever love StarCraft. I fucking still play StarCraft. Oh, fuck, man. This... Again. Are you kidding me? Like, are you fucking kidding me, Blizzard? You fucking suck. You incompetent fucking retards. Like, you're making fucking shit tons of money off this fucking game. Like, ripping people off. Like, people are spending hundreds of thousands of fucking dollars on this fucking shit-ass game. And you can't even maintain a fucking goddamn stable fucking server. Are you fucking retarded? Holy fuck, I actually was able to click something. Already an hour and a half or so. And I could finally actually log on to the fucking game. Fuck's sakes, man. I demand a fucking free copy of Diablo 4 for this fucking disgusting piece of shit that you fucking threw down all of our throats. Fucking insulted us. A lot of us have been your fans for fucking, what, 20 years? 25 years. Yeah, 25 years since StarCraft came out. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Fuck you, Blizzard. Fuck you. Fuck you. You fucked us. You incompetent motherfuckers.